In today's tutorial, I'm how to disable automatic restarting after system failure on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the Start menu, select the Power button, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. And if you're unable to boot into Windows to do that, you can just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, and that'll also get you into the troubleshooting menu we're about to go into. And on this page, you want to select Troubleshoot, Reset Your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select the Startup Settings, Change Windows Startup Behavior tile, and then select Restart. And then at this point, you can select the F9 or Function 9 key to disable automatic restart after failure, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.